The FOHERE 15pc Nonstick Cookware set aims to provide a complete kitchen solution. It includes a variety of pots and pans, from small saucepans to a large stock pot. The set also features a pizza pan and a griddle pan, adding versatility. The non-stick coating is a key feature. It's designed to make cooking and cleaning easier. The set also includes a food steamer and a silicone food strainer. This is helpful for draining pasta or vegetables. The cookware is made of aluminum and is compatible with induction cooktops. The black finish gives it a modern look. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip. Testing the FOHERE 15pc Nonstick Cookware showed decent results. The non-stick surface worked well for most foods. Cooking eggs and pancakes was easy. They slid right off the pan. The pots and pans heated evenly. This helped prevent hot spots and burning. The stock pot was useful for making soups and stews. The griddle pan was good for making pancakes and grilled sandwiches. The pizza pan baked a crispy crust. The food steamer worked well for steaming vegetables. Cleaning was generally easy. A simple wipe with a sponge was enough for most messes. However, using harsh detergents or abrasive cleaners could damage the coating. It is important to remember not to use metal utensils to prevent scratching. Regarding durability, the FOHERE 15pc Nonstick Cookware felt relatively lightweight. It's important to note that the nonstick coating, like any other, can wear down over time. Proper care is essential. Avoid overheating the pans. Also, using medium heat is best for preserving the nonstick properties. The company claims the set is free from harmful chemicals. While the cookware is not made from ceramics, the nonstick layer offers some of the same benefits. The amount of pieces in the kitchen is good for a beginner cook. This set provided a good range of cookware. Pros: non-stick, heats up fast, easy to clean, great non-stick material, heats up evenly, looks great, nice weight, easy to clean, quality feel, good seal on lids. Features: 15-piece set, non-stick coating, aluminum build, induction ready, various pans, stock pot. Included: pizza pan, griddle pan, food steamer, silicone strainer. This 15-piece FOHERE cookware set has non-stick pots and pans made of aluminum, which work on induction stoves. It includes frying pans, saucepans, a big stock pot, a pizza pan, a griddle pan, and a food steamer. A silicone strainer is also included. The set is black. The FOHERE 15-piece cookware set is a collection of pots and pans made of aluminum with a non-stick coating. It includes different sizes of frying pans, saucepans, a stock pot, a pizza pan, a griddle pan, and a food steamer. The set also comes with lids, a silicone food strainer, and is designed to heat up quickly and evenly. Users find it easy to clean, appreciate the non-stick surface, and like the weight and appearance of the cookware. The lids also seal well.